Kailan ka dinurog ng industriya at kailan ka o paano? Depends on how you wanna take it. Paano ka dinurog at paano ka binuo ng industriya?
Ooh, that's a loaded question, Tito Boy. Parang ang hirap sagutin. Ako, Tito Boy, siguro I'll have to humble myself and be honest na hindi naman ako, well, everything happened inadvertently, as I always say, I love
Right.
saying. It was not a conscious effort to destroy me. If any, ako ang sumira sa sarili ko noong mga panahon na ako'y naging durog at basag at talagang hindi na malaman kung saan pupulutin, Tito Boy. But siguro kung naging medyo may konting kasalanan din ng industry at that point, kung siguro naging instrumental sila somehow, siguro was the fact that there was one point in time na parang tinignan ako as a commodity and not as a human being. So parang even if I was hurting inside, parang nakatalikod lang and I was exploited.
Okay.